Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Maryland in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, you're in exactly the right place. Because Maryland is one of those states that looks simple on the surface, but quietly enforces rules that can cause problems later if you don't understand how everything fits together. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to form a Maryland LLC correctly. Not just to get approved, but to stay compliant long-term without stress or surprises. Let's get into it. The two routes in Maryland. When it comes to starting an LLC in Maryland, you really have two options. Option one, you do everything yourself. You navigate the Maryland State Department of Assessments and Taxation website, check name availability, file formation paperwork, figure out registered agent rules, apply for your EIN, register for state taxes, deal with annual reports, and hope you didn't miss one of Maryland's ongoing compliance requirements. Option 2. You let professionals handle the setup correctly from the beginning, so you're not guessing your way through a state that expects precision. And Maryland absolutely expects precision. Why DIY in Maryland often causes issues. I tried the DIY route once in Maryland. It didn't end well. Between understanding Maryland's filing system, the $100 filing fee, plus optional expedited fees, registered agent rules, and the mandatory annual report and personal property return, I lost weeks fixing issues that didn't show up immediately. That's the tricky part with Maryland. Some mistakes don't cause instant rejection. They cause future compliance problems, penalties, or loss of good standing later. And yes, I still ended up paying someone to clean it up. What you actually need to start a Maryland LLC. Here's what you actually need to form a Maryland LLC the right way. First, choose your business name. Maryland has strict naming rules and availability changes fast. Always have a backup ready. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical street address in Maryland. This is required by law. Your registered agent receives legal documents and official state notices. Third, file your Articles of Organization with the Maryland State Department of Assessments and Taxation, SDAT. This officially creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this for banking, taxes, and hiring. Fifth, register for Maryland state taxes if your business will have revenue, employees, or taxable activity. Sixth, prepare for Maryland's annual report and personal property return, which must be filed every year to keep your LLC in good standing. And seventh, open a business bank account so your personal and business finances are clearly separated. Maryland isn't difficult, but it's very unforgiving if you skip steps. Maryland-specific quirks. People miss 2026. Here's what catches people off guard in Maryland. Maryland requires an annual report every year, even if your business has no activity. The annual report includes a personal property return, even if you own no property. Missing the annual filing can result in late fees and forfeiture of good standing. You must maintain a registered agent at all times. Lapses can cause administrative dissolution. Expedited filing exists, but accuracy still matters more than speed. Many people form the LLC correctly, then lose compliance later. Why professional help makes sense in Maryland. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands for Maryland. They handle everything. Maryland Registered Agent Articles of Organization filing, EIN operating agreement, guidance on Maryland tax registration, annual compliance reminders, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Maryland's ongoing compliance rules, not just formation, so your LLC stays in good standing year after year. Cost, important part. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Maryland's required state filing fees. That means you're paying exactly what the state requires, but with professional execution instead of trial and error. Same cost as DIY, far fewer problems later. Final step. If you're starting a business in Maryland, don't just get approved, get it set up correctly. Use the link in the description, get your Maryland LLC formed properly, and focus on growing your business instead of fixing paperwork. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.